집.
처음 이사 왔을 때부터 이 핑크색이랑 발레리나 벽지가 있었는데 벽지가 핑크색이니까 가구 색깔을 배치하는 게 힘들었던 것 같아요. 책상도 좁은 정사각형 방에 이렇게 떡하니 있으니까 너무 크고 잘 안 쓰게 되고 수납할 공간이 많이 부족해가지고 여기 도어후크랑 서랍장에다가 넣어놨는데 이렇게 두 개가 이미 잘려나가고 얘네도 위태로운 상태예요.
오늘의 집.
Do not push too much, cause it takes time. Do not talk too much, because it's mine. And I do it with small steps, and I have no regrets. No mistakes, shine my black shoes, cause I wanna move. What do you choose? There are too many options, do not take me down with the fears you've raised, because they are not mine. Running so fast like a shooting star till I hit a home run. Aim so wild I cannot be tamed, and with every step I take, don't you ever look through my sight. Aim so wild I cannot be tamed, and with every step I take, don't you ever look through my sight. Don't look through my sight. Get set, ready, go for the spotlight like a Trojan horse, ready for the fight. And I do it with small steps, and I have no regrets. No mistakes, wear my best suit, cause I cannot lose. Bumping up my mood, there are too many options and they can take me down. Everything is now in place, because I hold the edge. Aim so wild I cannot be tamed, and with every step I take, don't you ever look through my sight. Aim so wild I cannot be tamed, and with every step I take, don't you ever look through my sight.
그치? 따라라라따.
수납 공간도 많네. 예쁘다. 부럽다.
그치? 이따 여기서 커피 먹자.
좋아.
오늘의 집